Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to listen to music when you're playing your Xbox games on your Series X. So here's Spotify. We want to go ahead and get that application. So on the home screen, let's go up to the store, select that. Then on the left side, let's go on down to apps. Go to the right and go to popular apps, or you can go to popular music apps. So I'm just going to go to popular apps, and we want to go to Spotify right here. Select this, and then launch it and install it. And then you're going to have to sign in with an account or make an account. So mine's already signed in. And I'm just on here right now. And I can go to a song. So I have my library on the top. I can go to my library right here. And I have everything added on here. I have like Sabaton, Goo Goo Dolls, Tom Petty, Imagine Dragons, all good bands. Let's go to here. And then start playing the song. Hit Hell and Back. Now when the song is playing, I can switch back on over to my game. So I can start at Minecraft, for example. And then I can see the song is playing right here. So I can select it. I can pause it. I don't know what that is, but we can skip ahead. Or we can increase the volume of the music by going to the right. Or decrease the volume of the music by going to the left and hear the game sound a little bit more. And here are some suggested songs. Like Hot Country, Rap Caviar. So we can easily manage that right there. And then we have the volume of our headset under this as well. And we can see the song in here as well. So if we go to the volume there, if we can't find it anywhere else, so you can easily listen to songs while you're playing. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.